Second.
No, this is perfect.
Okay. Should I make my top guy go to the left?
Shoot her on the left. Shoot her on the right.
Shoot her on the right. Yeah. We've tripled sales since we took over.
Cobra babe.
See, I almost want Cobra Cat.
He was clean, right? Shoot her on the left.
Alright, much more fun this way. Cobra's on the left, Union Jack's on the right.
All right. Union Jack and Cobra Cat. Cobra Cat's on the left. Union Jack's on the right.
Familiar?
Oh, good.
Scary. This
Load
seems
'em up.
familiar.
There's one right under the table.
Who made these, dude?
Group of people, they're all about loyalty.
Clara Barton.
You treat them well.
And the marshal's got a little star.
I saw that.
You treat them bad, they'll tell them. Yeah.
What's the little star?
Posse Marshal.
Like, dude, these guys gave us 15% off because of that.
I got a whole badge that says Range Master.
Cool.
Special.
We would have people come in and buy something just because we think that it would be for me. They didn't even need it. They would just come in and say, I just want to come in and buy something because you're doing that.
Ow! Sorry, I didn't mean to sit on you.
It is neat watching him, though. He really has this figured out.
I have a scratch on my arm and I have no earthly idea where it came from.
Really? I got this great big huge hip or bruise on my hip that I don't know where it came from.
Look, it's like a weird shape.
It is a weird shape.
No idea where it came
Mine
from.
was so much darker, I really didn't have the heart to hit it.
My cat gave me that the other day. Oh man. Yeah, it sucked. Sucked a lot of ass.
So easy, but
Well, mine did go off first. I just how dark mine is.
I also felt like I was barely in
on
the
the
sun
Black
today
Lives
too.
Matter the whole
I'm
fucking
just
time.
closer to the sun this year.
Yeah, right.
I avoided the sun like all day today.
Well, I even got it.
No, I mean, how dark mine is. This is just, I am not used
But I'm getting a little
so scared. Last time I come in and shoot with the little dark one.
I almost didn't put makeup on today. Thank God I did.
What a whining bitch.
Sunburned.
You gonna put sunscreen on tomorrow? Ooh, that's gonna hurt.
yes, I did.
Where's Union Jack on the right?
He's up there.
He's on the right.
Yeah,
He's on the right.
Yeah.
Hell, I'm using my other shotgun. I'm using my shotgun I used for wild nuts. Hell, it's running.
Come on down.
Give her the advantage.
Union Jack on the right.
I know what's happening.
Your left.
Your left.
I'm thinking about it. I'm going to shoot him right after this. Need a nice little holster to go with.
Like circle this one or something when it's all done, so they can see that you have round 4.
Research and development.
Is that what I did?
This new product.
That's how I know. Because there's just this round 2.
Good luck. Shoot her on the left. Yep. Shoot her on the right. Right.
Winner on the left. He was clean, right? Cobra Cat against Cimarron Sonia, and Cimarron Sonia gets her choice aside.
That was quite the challenge there.
Oh, that's close.
Haley stuck her on the left.
Yeah, that's fine. She'll pick
It don't
the
matter.
left
She gets the
anyway.
lady always gets to pick.
She'll pick the left anyway. The left side, in my opinion, is the advantage. Depends
then-
if you're shooting strong side and you're right-handed.
And Cobra's got to shoot left-handed, duelist.
Yeah.
Oh no, are you kidding me? He did
Well-
it the last time he did a Top Gun with her in Cheyenne. She almost kicked his ass.
Well, no, he beat her, but he knocked down her target. Yeah.
He almost always knocks down
And-
the other target.
Yeah.
She doesn't.